In 1857, a spark lit the fire of resistance across the Indian subcontinent. It was the first united uprising against British rule, a revolt of soldiers, farmers, and common people who dared to dream of freedom. Though the rebellion was crushed, the spirit it awakened would never die. It was the beginning of a long journey that would one day lead to Pakistan. In the
Welcome
darkness,
to the new
after
era of video
1857,
creation with
one man lit a
QuaidEAzam.
candle of hope. Sir Syed
Simply
Ahmad
type
Khan,
your script
with a
to
pen in
get
his hand
started.
and a vision in his heart, he wrote not just words, but the future of a nation. Through the Aligarh movement, he called Muslims toward modern education, unity, and progress. That flickering candle became a guiding light, laying the foundation for a new identity and eventually for Pakistan. In 1930, at the historic Allahabad session, Dr. Allama Iqbal rose with a vision that would change history. Before a sea of devoted faces, he declared, "India's Muslims are a separate nation. They deserve a separate homeland." His words were not just political, they were spiritual, a call for identity, faith, and freedom. That night, under the dim glow of a single candle, the dream of Pakistan was spoken out loud. For the first time, the year was 1947. After 2 centuries of British rule, the subcontinent stood at a turning point in history. Amid growing tensions, maps were drawn, not just on paper, but on the hearts of millions. In this very moment, as British officers marked borders on a dusty map, entire generations were about to be divided. People waited silently, unsure of which side of the line they belonged to, India or the newly born Pakistan. This partition led to one of the largest migrations in human history. Trains packed with hope and loss. But out of pain and sacrifice rose a free Pakistan. A homeland won, but never forgotten. The Silent Train, 1947 partition. 1947, the year of freedom. But for millions, it came not with celebration, but with sorrow. A refugee train enters the newly formed Pakistan. It moves slowly, as if carrying the weight of an entire tragedy. Carefully, respectfully, each body tells a story of a journey that never reached home. Among them stands a young boy, dust on his face, silence in his eyes. He looks around, searching for a familiar face in a sea of 14th August, 1947. The sun rises on a new nation, but its light falls on a land marked with blood, tears, and hope. On one side, a man stands tall, dignified and determined, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, raising the flag of Pakistan for the very first time. His eyes fixed on the green and white, a dream finally becoming real. Crowds gather behind him, silent but full of emotion. Some cheer, some weep, some just stare, unable to believe freedom has arrived. And just beyond this moment of glory, a train stands still. Not a vehicle of celebration, but of survival. Hundreds sit atop it. Dozens step down barefoot, exhausted. Women sit by the tracks, faces buried in trembling hands. They have left everything behind. Homes, families, entire lives, to arrive in a land that is still learning how to begin. This is the birth of Pakistan. A flag raised high as broken people search for belonging beneath it. Black and white footage slowly shifts to color. Children run through dusty streets with small flags. A father lifts his daughter onto his shoulders. A new life waits just beyond the pain. This is not just independence. This is rebirth. This is sacrifice turned into soil. And hope rising with every wave of the flag. This is Pakistan. Independent forever.
आप सब आजाद हैं अपने मंदिरों में जाने के लिए। आप सब आजाद हैं अपनी मस्जिदों में जाने के लिए और किसी भी और इबादतगाह में जाने के लिए इस ममलिकत पाकिस्तान में। आपका ताल्लुक किसी भी मजहब, जात या अकीदे से हो, ममलिकत का इससे कोई सरोकार नहीं।